Good morning, yogis. Welcome to day 3 of 5-minute morning yoga challenge. Today we will do a standing practice, so you don't really need a mat for this one, just a clean spot where you can practice barefoot. Place your feet around hip distance apart. Stand nice and tall. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. With your next inhale, reach your arms up, lean back slightly. Exhale, bend forward, bend your knees, lower the hands to the ground. Relax your back, neck and head. Inhale halfway up, lengthen the spine, hands on the shins. Knees can stay bent or straighten them if it feels good. One more inhale here. Exhale, bend your knees, relax the head down. Inhale, roll all the way up to standing, gentle back bend. Exhale, release the arms sideways. Let's do it a bit faster. Inhale, reach your arms up, back bend. Exhale, bend forward, bend your knees. Inhale, halfway up, flat back. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale up to standing, back bend. Exhale, release your arms. One more inhale, reach up, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, halfway up, flat back. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale up to standing. Exhale, release your arms. Now place your feet wide, feet parallel. Then turn your right foot so that the toes are pointing forward and both heels stay in one line. Extend your arms to the sides. Take a big inhale. Lean over your right leg. With exhale, drop the hand to the shin. Extend the left arm up. Look up to your left hand if it's okay on your neck. Otherwise, you can look forward or even look down. Continue to breathe in and out through the nose. On your next inhale, come up and switch side. Inhale, lean over the left leg. Exhale, drop the hand. Maybe look up or down. And breathe. Feel the stretch. Inhale to come up. Position your feet parallel again. Hands on the hips. With inhale, lift the chest up. Exhale, bend forward. Hug your elbows to add additional weight to your torso. This can help to relax your spine a little bit more. Stay here for a few deep breaths. Release your elbows. Place your right hand on the outside of your left shin or ankle. Inhale, twist and raise the left arm up. See if you can look up to your left hand and try to keep your hips in the same position without shifting them to one side. Release the twist and switch side. Left hand on the right ankle or shin. Inhale, lift the right arm up. Look up, breathe into the twist. Slowly release the twist. Sit down on the mat in easy pose. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. Close your eyes. And today, think of one thing that you are grateful for today, however small it might be. Gently open your eyes. I wish you a nice day and see you tomorrow for day 4.